Hi children, good morning. How are you? Yes, I hope you are fine children. Okay, be safe children, be at home. Don't go outside unnecessarily, right? If you want to go outside now, take a face mask and use the sanitizer, right? Okay, take a healthy food, nutritious food, right children? Okay, shall we go to the class? What we learned up to the last class? Do you remember? Yes, vowels, consonants, and then words. Two-letter words, three-letter words, then four-letter words also we learned. Okay. Then last class we learned A, Ki, Matra. Listen children. These are the vowels and their symbols. No. Okay. A, Ki, Matra we finished. These are the symbols of the vowels. These symbols will add the consonants letters now. The consonants letter sound is will change. Okay. So already we finished the we learned the A, Ki, Matra. Shall we recall that? Okay. This is the A, Ki, Matra symbol. No. Listen. Now what is this letter? Ka. Then A, Ki, Matra. La, then again Aki Matra. How to read this? Ka, La. The symbol will add the consonants letter na. The consonants letters sound will change the A sound. Right? Okay. Now Ka, La. Kala like this. Okay. One more word. What is this letter? Ta. Now, ta, la, la. What is this? Tala. Okay. And then, what is this letter? Cha. Now, cha. This one? Ta. Very good. Cha, ta. Like this, we have to read the Aki Matra. Okay. Kala, Thala, Chata, Ma, then Aki Matra symbol. This one, La, Mala, like this. Okay, children? Okay. Now, shall we go to the Iki Matra today's class? Okay. Iki Matra. Okay. The symbol of E. Which is the symbol? This is the Iki Matra symbol. Just we have to add the symbol for all the consonants. Listen here. A has no matra. Then A has this matra. This is the symbol of A. Then this is E. And this is E. This U. These three symbols want to write under the letter. Okay. U, U, Re. Then A, I, O, Au, Aha. Clear ma? Okay. Now we want to see the symbol of E. Just for an example, this is what is this letter? Ka. Just shall we add the symbol? How to add? Like this. Okay. See, listen. The symbol came. The symbol came, no? Like this, we have to add the symbol for the consonants. Like, next, what is this letter? Ka. And then, we have to add like this. Ki. Okay. Then, gha. Now, ghee. Right? Then, ga. Now, this is ghee. Okay. Nga. Ni. Listen clear, ma? Ki, khi, ghee, ghee, ni. Clear? Okay, the next line, what is the next line? Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Right? The same sound for the consonants, but the symbol will add na. The sound is E sound. Okay. Cha, then E ki matra. Now this is chi. And then next chi. This one G. Now G. This is Ni. Okay. Chi, chi, G, G, Ni. Right, ma? Okay. The next one Ta. Now this is T. Now T. D. D. Ni. Clear? T, T, D, D, Ni. Okay? T, T, D, D, Ni. Okay. The next one. T, T, D, D, Ni. Okay? T, T, D, D, Ni. What is the next line? Pa, pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. Okay. See? P, F, B, B, me. Right? P, F, B, B, me. Clear? Okay. The next line also like this we have to add. Once again. See? What is this? Can you find? Yes, this is E ki matra symbol. Just we have to add the symbol for the consonants na. The sounds will change. I said no. P, F, B, B, me. The next letter E. The symbol want to start here. So E, Re, Li, V. She, she, he. Kshi, tri, ghi, sri. Like this, we have to add. The sounds also like this change. Okay. Once again. Now, the words. How to make a E sound words. Shall we see? Listen, ma. What is this? E ki matra symbol plus ka plus ta plus a ki matra symbol plus ba. Okay. Now we want to add these letters and make a E ki matra word. Shall we add? Just we have to remove the plus symbols. Just first you have to add this one. How to add? Ka plus E ki matra ki. Then ta a ki matra plus ba. So last we have to give the top line. Ki ta bh. Kitab. Ki ta bh. Already the last letter will pronounced by the மெய்யெழுத்து. மெய்யெழுத்தா படிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறது last day நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன் இல்லையா? When there is no long sound at the end of the word, the a sound will not pronounce there. So, b, ib. Okay. எந்த symbolsமே எந்த ஒரு மாத்திராவுமே add ஆகாம only the consonants letter மட்டும் last letter வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா அது நம்ம மெய்யெழுத்தா படிக்கணும். Right? Okay. Kitab. 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 Clear? Okay, one more word. Then E ki matra symbol plus va plus ma plus A ki matra symbol plus na. Shall we make a word now? Just we have to remove the plus symbol and add. Just first we have to add. V. Clear ma? V. Ma. A ki matra. Then na. So now Viman. What is this? Viman. Viman. Clear? Okay, like this we have to make up words and read. Okay, some other words I will show you. Okay, listen children. What is this word? Listen. The. Then E ki matra symbol. Clear? The black color. E ki matra symbol. The. Then ma. What is this one? A ki matra symbol. Then ga. So how to read? What is this letter? Dhi. Ma. Ga. Dimag. Clear now? Dhi. Ma. Ga. Dimag. Clear? Okay. Next letter. Listen. This is E ki matra with add the va letter. Now this is V. What is this letter now? V. Ma. Then A ki matra. Then last na. V. Ma. Na. V. Ma. Vima. In. V. Ma. In. Viman. Clear ma? Okay. The next word. See. This is E ki matra symbol with the sa letter na. What is this letter? C. Ta. Then A ki matra symbol ra. Si. Ta. Sita. Sitar. Like this we have to read. Okay. The next word. This is E ki matra symbol. Then plus with the ka letter. So now this is ki. La. Then la. See the last letter with the A ki matra symbol. Now how to read? Ki. La. That's all. The last letter will not come with any listen. The last letter is the same, only single in the consonant letter. So we have to give this pronunciation ir. Now this is A ki matra with this letter A ki matra. So we have to give the same sound. Ki la. Kila. Clear ma? Okay. Once again. What is this word? Sitar. Viman. Dimag. Then Kila. Clear? Okay. Okay ma. Now I want to see the book work. Okay. After book work we have to write the class work. First you take a book work. Take a book ma. Shall we see the book work? Okay. Okay children. Take your book. The page number 24. Okay. Yes, the lesson is E ki matra. The short symbol, short E. E ki matra. The symbol of E. This is the symbol of E. We have to add the symbol for all the consonants. Now the consonant sounds will change. I said no. Okay. Now पढ़िए और समझिए. Read and understand. What is this? C. Listen children. What is this first letter? C. R. Sir. The last letter as usual without any matra na the dot pronunciation. So how to pronounce this letter? Ir. ra, ir, na, in, sa, is, like that. Okay. Okay. Si, ra, sir. Ki, sa, na, kisan. Ki, sa, na, kisan. Gi, la, sa, gilas. Gi, la, sa, gilas. Sir, kisan, gilas. The next one, gi, ra, gir. Gi, ra, gir. Bi, la, va, bilav. Bi, la, va, bilav. Di, ma, ga, dimag. Di, ma, ga, dimag. Gir, bilav, dimag. Clear ma? The next one. Pi, tha, pitha. What is the first letter? Pi, tha, pitha. Mi, ta, I, mithai. Mi, ta, I, mithai. Ka, vi, ta, kavita. Ka, vi, ta, kavita. Pitha, mithai, kavita. Clear? Next one. Ki, la, kila. Ki, la, kila. Chi, di, ya, chidiya. Chi, di, ya, chidiya. Hi, sa, ba, hisab. Hi, sa, ba, hisab. Khila, chidiya, hisab. The next one. Bi, la, bill. Bi, la, bill. Ki, ta, ba, kitab. Ki, ta, ba, kitab. Di, sha, disha. Di, sha, disha. Bil, kitab, disha. Right, children? Okay. Sir, kisan, gilas. Gir, bilav, dimag. Pita, mithai, kavita. Kila, chidiya, hisab. Bill, kitab, disha. Okay. Right, children. Now, this is the split. Split the word. Splitted. Mithai, mithai. Bilav, bilav. Dhiya, dhiya. Mithai, sweet. Mithai na enna? Sweet. Bilav na? Cat. Bilav. Boy cat ngana tom cat. Diya, lamp. Okay. Listen, children. Next. Listen, ma. Di, na, din. Ni, ka, la, nikla. This is the full stop, you know. Din, nikla. Din, nikla. Din, nikla. The next. Di, ya, dhiya. Di, ya, dhiya. Jala, jala. Diya, jala. Diya, jala. Din, nikla. Diya, jala. The next one. Ki, sa, na. Kisan. Ha, la, hal. Ja, jal. Kisan, hal, chala. Kisan, हल चला. विजय विजय. हिंदी हिंदी. लिख लिख. विजय हिंदी लिख. विजय हिंदी लिख. ओके. विमल इधर आ. विमल विमल. इधर इधर आ. विमल इधर आ. विद्यालय विद्यालय विद्यालय. चल विद्यालय चल. विनय विनय. सितार सितार. बजा बजा. विनय सितार बजा. विनय सितार बजा. किताब किताब. पढ़ पढ़. किताब पढ़. विनय सितार बजा. किताब पढ़. चिड़िया चिड़िया. खा. चित्र चित्र. बना बना. चिड़िया का चित्र बना. चिड़िया का चित्र बना. चिड़िया का चित्र बना. नेक्स्ट वन. साई साई. किल किल. साइकिल साइकिल. हाउ टू रीड? साइकिल पर चढ़कर. चढ़ चढ़कर कर चढ़कर. विद विद या. विद या. लई विद्यालय. चल साइकिल पर चढ़कर विद्यालय चल. नेक्स्ट वन. हिंदी हिंदी. कविता कविता. हिंदी कविता. लिख लिख. हिंदी कविता लिख. हिंदी कविता लिख. इनाम दो. इनाम दो. हिंदी कविता लिख. इनाम दो. लिफाफा लिफाफा. लिफाफा पर पता लिख. लिफाफा पर पता लिख. लिफाफा पर पता लिख. Once again children. दिन निकला दिया चला. दिन निकला दिया जला. किसान हल चला. विजय हिंदी लिख. विमल इधर आ. विद्यालय चल. विमल इधर आ. विद्यालय चल. विनय सितार बजा. किताब पढ़. चिड़िया का चित्र बना. साइकिल पर चढ़कर विद्यालय चल. साइकिल पर चढ़कर विद्यालय चल. हिंदी कविता लिख. इनाम दो. लिफाफा पर पता लिख. लिफाफा पर पता लिख. Clear ma now? Okay. Shall we go to the next page? The next one. They given splitted the words, then joining the word, and then the meanings also here. Now we want to read the meanings with the words with the meaning. Okay. पढ़ो और समझो. Read and understand. Listen children. सिर सिर. Head. गिर fallen. पिता पिता. Father. किला fort. bill hole. किसान farmer. Bilav, bilav, tomcat. Mitai, mitai, sweet. Chidiya, chidiya, bird. Kitab, kitab, book. Gilas, gilas, glass. Dimag, dimag, brain. Kavita, kavita, poem. Hisab, hisab, account. Disha, disha, direction. Okay. Sir, head. Gir, fallen. Pita, father. Kila, fort. Bill, hole. Kisan, farmer. Bilav, tomcat. Mithai, sweet. Chidiya, bird. Kitab, book. Gilas, glass. Dimag, brain. Kavita, poem. Hisab, account. Disha, direction. Clear, children? Okay, now the next one, abhyas. Abhyasna enna exercises. For this lesson, we have to do the exercise now. Kali jagah bariye. Fill in the blanks. So, in your book, some boxes will be empty. So, you have to fill in the boxes, right? Clear. Okay, the next one. Shabd banavo, make words. So, just we have to remove this plus symbols and you have to write the words in this line. You know, just we have to remove the plus symbol. Pita, pita. Kisan, kisan. Kavita, kavita. Right? Like this. So, just you have to remove this plus symbols and you can write. Clear now? Okay. Now, kitab, kitab. Okay. Gilas, gilas. Disha, disha. Like this you have to write. Okay, ma. The next one. चित्र को पहचान कर नाम पूरा करो. Identify the pictures and complete the names of the words. Okay. What is this picture? Who is this? Yes, he is a farmer. Kisan. So what letter will come here? Ki. Just you have to write here. Ki. Okay. The next one. This is chidiya. Bird. D. Okay. This one, tomcat, no, bilav. So, B you have to write here. Clear? Okay. The next one, चित्र देखकर सही शब्द के सामने टिक का निशान बनाओ. Tick mark the name of the pictures. Okay. Which is the correct name of the picture? So, just you have to tick inside the box. Okay, what is this picture? Can you find? Yes, this is sweet. What is the sweet in Hindi? Mithai. So, this is the correct answer. So, just you have to tick like this. Then next, what is this one? Gilas. Glass. So, just you have to tick. This is the gilas. No. The next one, kitab. Book. So, the first one is kitab. So, just you have to tick. The next one, अंग्रेजी में अर्थ लिखिए. Write the meanings in English. Listen, poem, glass, father, farmer, head and lost bird. So, some words are here. Just you have to choose the correct answer and write that on the line. Sirna enna? Head. Okay, this is the first. So, just you have to write on this dash. The next one, chidiyana, bird. Where is bird? This is second. Third one. Pita na yare? Father. So this is 3. Kisan na? Farmer. This is 4. Gilas? Glass. This is 5. Kavita na? Poem. This is the 6th. Just and take and write. Head. Okay. And then Pita, father, Kisan, farmer, Gilas, glass, Kavita, poem. Okay. So just you have to write like this. Okay, children. This lesson is over. The book work. Okay, you should learn. Shall we see the classwork now? Take a classwork. Okay, children. Check your classwork. Are you ready? Take a new page and sharpen your pencil. Sit properly. Keep the notebook on your exam pad and write. Okay, ready? The first Roman letter. This is the topic of our lesson. Right? What is this? E, ki, matra. This is the symbol. The symbol of E. Right? Okay. Now, the first Roman letter is E, ki, matra. This is the topic also. Okay. That is the lesson topic. This is the Roman letter topic. Shall we write, ma? Ki, gi, ghi, ni. Chi, ji, ni. Ti, di, ni. Ti, di, ni. P, B, me. Okay. I have no place here, so I am writing here. So first, but you should write the same page, right? One by one. Next one. E, re, li, we. She, he. She, 3, he, Sri. Clear? Listen, children. Ki, gi, ni. Chi, ji, ni. Ti, di, ni. Ti, di, ni. P, B, me. E, re, li, we. She, he. She, 3, he, Sri. Okay. Write it, ma. So copy this one. Okay. The next Roman letter is we have 4 Roman letters. Okay. The second Roman letter is, write the meanings in English. So we see. meaning in English. The first one, mithai. Mithai, sweet. Okay. The second one, chidiya. Bird. Okay. The third one, kitab. Kitab, book. The fourth one, Kila, fort. F-O-R-T, fort. Then the fifth one, Dimag. Brain. Okay. The sixth one, Kisan. I have no place, ma, so only I am writing here. But you should write one by one. Okay. Next one, Kisan. Farmer. Next one, beloved. Next one, Pita. Father. Sir. Head. Bill. Whole. Okay, it's enough. Listen, children. Mithai, sweet. Chidiya, bird. Kitab, book. Kila, fort. Dimag, brain. Okay. Kisan, farmer. Pita, father. Sir, head. Bill, whole. Clear? Mithai, sweet. Chidiya, bird. Kitab, book. Kila, fort. Dimag, brain. Kisan, farmer. Pita, father. Sir, head. Bill, whole. Okay, once again. Mithai, sweet. Chidiya, bird. Kitab, book. Kila, fort. Dimag, brain. Kisan, farmer. Pita, father. Sir, head. Bill, whole. Clear? Okay. Write it, ma'am. The next Roman letter, split the words. Very simple, you know. Third Roman letter is split the words. Split the words. Okay. First one, we have to split, that's all. Ka-vi-ta, kavita. Shall we split now? The ka letter plus the e-ki matra plus va plus ta plus a-ki matra. Clear ma? Ka-vi-ta, kavita. Clear? Okay. The next one. Bilav. 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 First the e ki matra plus va plus la plus a ki matra plus va. B. E ki matra plus va plus la plus a ki matra va. Bilav. Bilav. Okay. The third one. Gilas. Okay. Now the e ki matra plus gha, then la, a ki matra plus sa. Now this is gi-la-s. Gilas. The fourth one. Hisab. Sa-bh. Hisab. E plus ha, sa plus a ki matra plus ba. Hi-sa-bh. Hisab. Okay. Then last one. Disha. Disha. So e ki matra plus da, sha plus a ki matra. Is it disha? Disha. Okay, ma? Clear now? Kavita, bilav, kilas, gilas, hisab, disha. Okay, copy this one. Only one more Roman letter. This is the last. Okay. Very simple ma. This is also. Make a word starting with the key. So we have to make the words starting with the key letter, right? Okay. Listen, children. Key letter. Okay. Ta, bha. Sa, na. Da, ki. La. Okay, now we want to make up words. How many words? 4 words. Listen, key. The starting with the key, no? Key. Ta, bha. What is this word now? Ki, ta, bha. Kitab. The started word, started letter, ki, no? Okay, ki, ta, bha. Kitab. Okay, the next one. Ki, sa, na. What is this now? Ki, sa, na. Kisan. Okay, the next. Ki, dha, ki. This is long sound. So now this is kidki. Kidki. Right? Okay, the next one again. Started the letter ki. La. Kila. Listen children. Ki. That's all. Kitab, kisan, khidki, kila. Clear? Okay. This one also. So you have to copy mark. Okay children. We finished this class. What we learned from this class? Yes. E ki matra we finished now. Okay. We will meet the next video for the next content. Right? Bye.